Hey, Deegan, do you want to eat? Do you want to eat? Do you want breakfast? Do you want cereal?
No.
Do you want yogurt puffs?
Ogre.
Do you want bacon?
No. Do you want alphabets? No.
Do you want milk?
No. Do you want water?
Do you want eggs?
No.
You want toast?
No. Do you want butter? No. Do you want toothpaste?
We don't need toothpaste. No.